Hi there everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, using online method, we will learn how to convert documents into various different file formats. Let us start the video. Open your browser. For example, let us convert PPT into PDF. In search bar, you can type keywords PPT to PDF. Hit enter. You will find the best website at the top, which is smallpdf.com. Also, we have various different websites like ilovepdf.com, freepdfconvert.com, and so on. Let us click on smallpdf.com. As you open the website, you can select the files which you want to convert. Click on choose files. Select the file. Click open. Then it will start uploading your file online and automatically it will convert the file into PDF, which you can download free of cost. Click on download. Select the location where you want to save the file. Click save and the file will be downloaded. Let us open the file. You can see I have converted my PPT into PDF file, which was very easy. Without installing any software into your computer, you can convert various documents into PDF format. Now let us see a few more tools. If you click on tools, here we have various options. For example, you can compress PDF files, which will reduce the size of a PDF files. You can split and merge PDF files. You can view and edit the PDF files. Also, you can convert PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PPT, PDF to JPG. Also, you can convert Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, PPT to PDF, and JPG to PDF. Nowadays, these tools are very useful, especially for students and teachers, where you do not have to install any application, any software into your mobile phone or your computer. You can easily open your browser, go to smallpdf.com, and you can use various tools to convert the documents into various formats. I am sure this will be very useful in your life. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Also do comment if you have any questions. God bless you. God bless India.
How you like it now?